According to National Bank of Ukraine, almost 3 and 5 times more mortgage agreements than usual were concluded by Ukrainians over the past 6 months. This growth is associated with the presidential 7% mortgage program. Despite the availability, people are still afraid to buy housing on credit.
Well, who is not afraid? It's better to earn money and then buy at once, right? But no one will do this because everyone is too lazy to save money.
It had my interest, but the very procedure for taking a loan is a bit of a complicated story. I was interested in this issue, but it is not yet available for me.
The Ukrainian government has decided to make mortgages even cheaper. For this, the state mortgage institution and the Ukrainian financial housing company will be merged. This will simplify the process of obtaining loans and expand the search for real estate. They will also issue government bonds worth almost $750 million. They will be converted into shares of the created structure.
After the completion of the merger, we are preparing to issue government bonds in the amount of up to $750 million in order for the mortgage programs to be available to as many Ukrainians as possible. All these products will help Ukrainian families finally be able to buy their own homes with affordable mortgages, as they do in developed countries.
According to experts, the more transactions on the real estate market take place, the cheaper the mortgage becomes. After all, the demand creates the offer. However, in order to attract more clients, they advise to simplify the rules for buying a newly built housing.
When some 4 or 5 years pass, the volume of issued loans reaches its critical mass. Then they will be able to service themselves. That is, the interest paid on loans will be able to block the demand for loans. And then we will already see a decrease in the credit resource, as it happens in European countries to 3.5% and somewhere even up to 2.5%.
Buying a home at 7% also attracts many Ukrainians. According to the Entrepreneurship Development Fund, over the past week, 26 people have received mortgages. These are mainly young families with the average income of up to $800-900 per month.
The average loan amount which is issued by our bank is $30,000, and if, for example, there is a client who applies to a loan of $30,000 for 20 years, then his first payment will be some $300, taking into account both the repayment of interest and the repayment of the loan body, and the last payment will make only $120.
In total, since the beginning of the presidential program Affordable Mortgage 7%, 811 loans have been issued for almost $20 million. Reported by Nick Starkov, Vlada Tsurkan, UATV News.